Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, hope you're having a great start of this weekend, and welcome to this update on Bitcoin. Also for the weekend, as most of you know, the weekend is usually a little bit less volatile for Bitcoin and for crypto in general. And I'm also not expecting that big of moves today. Practically for the last 24 hours, we've been stable around 28,400. After, and we haven't talked about that, but after we got some positive economic results, and those are actually pretty interesting, because what we saw is that the PCE price index, which is sort of an inflation rate number, went down and more than expected. So that kind of creates bullish momentum and bullish expectations of the real inflation rate, and therefore also for perhaps a pause in interest rate hikes, and that's great for Bitcoin. So that caused a bit of bullish momentum, and ever since we've been in this level right here between 28,700, which has proven to be such a strong resistance, and our main support right now is 28,000. So we're in the middle of that. Technically, we're still, if you take a look at the chart just normally, I would say we're bullish. We're still making higher lows. Kind of depends on how you're looking at it, of course, but the EMAs are still trending up. Are all below us. So right now, purely technically, but I would also argue fundamentally, we are bullish. So that's what I wanted to talk a little bit more about. Just in general, my expectations for this entire weekend. Before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And also check out the BYBIT sign up link. If you sign up now, you can get up to a 30,000 deposit bonus. And since today, I'm the official partner of, or they are my official partner. So show them some love. But now let's get into Bitcoin. So as I said, purely technically, first support is 28,000, but then afterwards, and we also saw yesterday how strong that support is, 27,700. We just have a huge level of support, and I know that a lot of people right now are saying that we are going to drop, and that's mainly because if you really zoom out, if you go to the weekly time frame, for example, then we are at a massive resistance level. And apart from that, the economic circumstances in the world are far from ideal. If the inflation rate really goes dropping down, initially that might be positive, but then in the end it might lead to a recession. And who's going to buy Bitcoin in a recession? I don't know. I will, but I'm not sure how many people will. So that's kind of the problem right now. But on the short term, I still expect us to be bullish. Now, does that mean that I think we can break above 28,900? That's a difficult question and a different question. I think today we won't do that. Today we will just see a little bit of bearish momentum because we have, in the end, hit a major resistance. But at this point of time, I still think that if we're going to get a bullish breakout, tomorrow, usually Sunday evening or Monday morning, we get some movements. Right now, the most likely scenario, given the technicals, but also given the fundamentals, in my opinion, and if you have a different opinion, then I'm surely open to talk about that. But right now, everything does point towards a bullish breakout above 28,800 and a move up to at least 29,500, but probably up to 30,000. And that's just me objectively saying that. I don't really care whether we go up to 30,000 right now or that we drop down to 26,000. Just purely technically speaking and fundamentally speaking, that seems like the most likely scenario. And that's why I'm telling it to you. But yeah, that's my take on Bitcoin. As I said, today is a little bit more of a quiet day. It's rainy here, but hopefully it's better weather where you are. Enjoy your day. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye. I'll see you tomorrow.